Hi, welcome back to Bytes Route. In this video, I will show you how to install the Bytes Route script in WordPress. As I mentioned, you need to install the script only once for every domain. There are two ways for WordPress users to insert code into their websites or web applications. The most convenient way for users to insert code into the WordPress header or footer is to use a plugin. The advantages of using a plugin over a manual installation are that when you switch themes, your code snippets remain intact. With the plugin, you can quickly and easily add code snippets to your web page header or footer. And it's easier to use because the plugin does not require any programming knowledge. We recommend the free WordPress plugin Header Footer Code Manager. You can find a link in the description of this video. You can install and activate it from your dashboard by heading to Plugins and selecting Add New, searching for the plugin, and then clicking Install Now and activate. After activating the plugin, you can access its interface by going to HFCM and clicking Add New. To add code to your site's header, you need to paste it into one of the boxes under the snippet code area. SiteWide adds the code snippet to the header of every single page on your site. This is what you'll want to use most of the time. Show on all devices adds the code snippet to desktop and mobile devices. Complete the boxes as shown and copy the Bytes Route code snippet from the Bytes Route's dashboard page. And then click on the Save button. And that's it. Another way to insert a code snippet is through manual installation. The JavaScript code can be added by going to Appearance and selecting Theme Editor. Select the file header.php on the right side of the current view. For the header, insert the codes between the tags head and /head. In case there are more HTML script tags, insert the Bytes Route code snippet as the last script. This will make sure that the Bytes Route script will load after all the information on the web application loads. Finally, click the Update File button to save the changes to your website with the added code snippets. That's it for now. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any further questions, reach out to us at support@bytesroute.com. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. Bye bye!